Hey everyone, welcome back to Black Cat Kitchen. I'm Daniela and it's day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies. Today has to be one of my all-time favorites and I know it's going to be one of yours. Ritz Bits bars. These salty and sweet bar cookies have the best texture when you bite into them. You'll want to make 2 batches. They only take 3 ingredients, so let's get started.
You'll find a list of ingredients and measurements in the description below.
Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Into our bowl goes 400 grams or 2 boxes of Ritz crackers. You can substitute with your favorite buttery crackers. I'm going to crush mine up by hand, but you can just as easily pop these in your food processor until they're nice and fine. You want it to be a fairly fine consistency. To our crackers, we're going to add 200 grams of Skor toffee bits.
If you can't find Skor toffee bits, like I couldn't, I smuggled them in from Canada. You can use any toffee and just crush it into little pieces.
Give that a little mix. Now in goes 300 milliliters or 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You're going to want to keep stirring this until all of the crackery bits have absorbed the condensed milk. It should hold together when you press down with your spatula. Pour your mix into an 8-inch square pan that's been lined with parchment paper. You'll want to spread that out and then start pressing the mixture down into the pan. And when you think you've pressed it down enough, press it down one more time. I even like to use the bottom of a flat glass to really make sure they're pressed in there.
These need to bake for 20 minutes. Let these cool for about 10 minutes and then slice into bars. You'll then want to let them cool completely before eating them. If you wait longer than 10 minutes to slice, you might not get as clean a cut on your bars.
I cut mine 4 by 4, making 16 bars in total. This step is optional, but I like to drizzle mine with some dark chocolate. I've just melted it up, popped it into a piping bag, and I'm drizzling it back and forth over my squares. Once the chocolate's set, it's time to dig in.
Thank you so much for watching day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas cookies. If you missed day 1, check out our playlist and make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss the rest of the cookies. See you tomorrow.